Good morning, guys. My name is Ishal Manan, and you are seeing my channel Ishal Manan Official. So now today I will show you. You will visit my room, and I'm in my room. So let's visit it. This is the entrance of my room, and at the back. Now, this is my beautiful bed. I love it. And my side table, my terrace. We will go inside the terrace, my dressing table, my school bag, and now my terrace. You can see from here. Everything. I can see everything from here. Even those streets when I zoom it. I can also see my garden from here. And all over. That is our car. And here I am. So before ending my video, I would like to say please share, subscribe and like. Bye.